Welcome back, everyone. Dinka to English translation. Number one, nya, nya, girl. Number two, nyan kai, my sister, nyan kui, your sister, nyan kana, is her sister, nyan kaida, nyan kaida, nyan kaida, our sister, nyirka mean those girl, this girl, the girls, nyirka. Number seven, nyirakwa, our sisters, nyirakun, your sisters, nyirkun, your girls, nyirkun mean your girls or your daughters, nyirkun, nyirakai mean my sisters, nyirake, mean is her sisters, nyanbum, mean virgin lady, nyandeng, mean beautiful girl, nyanbar, mean tall girl, nyanchik mean short girl, nyankor, mean small girl, nyandit, mean big girl, nyanmatiang, mean brown lady, nyir, or you can say nyal mean girls, this plural, nyanpap, mean good lady or humble lady, nyanpap. Yenakan mean the hen by William Majak Malek Ding. Ran Pyoch Tongjang or Tongjang Nyali Kawek Kuyanea. We actually we call the video kan loy kuyeka share kuyeka like kuyeka page kan follow achan biok dinka language bo yeglan year together. Thank you. Bye bye. Dor nyali kawek kuyanea. Uga ban yok next lesson.